Oh, I'm so wet. It is really wet and wavy. Yeah! Hell yeah, bro.
Nah, dude, it's so much better when those tunnels are off.
So we're not doing good today?
No.
Guys, we're here with Shane Singletary. He said it's not going to be good though, so
Well, I mean, we're still gonna catch, but
no, I don't want to fish anymore.
it's gonna have to. We're both gonna be over here, in other words.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
This is when the trophies are caught. I'm gonna use my trusty, musty spinnerbait. My dandy mandy fandy. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh! Woo!
That's number one.
Here we go, guys. Nice fish. First cast. Ooh.
Try to tell me, dude.
On that spinnerbait. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wow. Exact same bite, dude. Look at. So that first fish I got yesterday, apple picking, bro, look at. The hook went out from the outside in, right? Look at that.
Thing.
Same thing.
Nice.
Isn't that so bizarre?
Yeah, they're swiping at it and then they're hitting the back of the...
Guys, beautiful Chicago River bass. First cast. Hopefully that is not bad luck. As the train goes over right there. We're out here with Shane Singletary. Shane has been killing the bass here. And he's like, George, you gotta get out here. You gotta get out here, bro. They are piling up. So that's why I'm here. First cast already. Shane is right on the money, baby. Let's go.
I was gonna hit that tree, dude.
There's a little spinner on it right there.
Yeah. You're gonna fucking...
Did I get that spinner?
Oh.
That's what I wanted.
Lose this, dude.
How'd you get snagged though?
It was just seaweed. But I'm a little concerned with losing this.
You're like, that's my warning.
Yeah.
I hear you. I know what you mean, because yeah. There's certain lures like my lipless. You know what's wild is the #1 reason I ever started using spinnerbaits is because I couldn't afford crankbaits, because like, you know, you could bump spinnerbaits off of trees and shit, you know? But I couldn't do that with crankbaits.
Oh, yeah. You'll lose them.
Yeah.
Unless you're using like a square bill.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, George, what did I say? What did I say?
Oh. See, this one just missed it right before this. Woo. That's a nice fish.
Oh, yeah. Nice fish, bro.
Thank you, sir. Woo.
Don't ever doubt me.
Shane's got the hookup today. When Shane says you guys gotta get here, the bass are on. That's when you come, guys. That's when you get here. Follow Shane Singletary. Stay on top of that Chicago River bite. North Shore Channel, Chicago River. We are out here experiencing some fall bass fishing. A bunch of shad are moving through this highway, which is nature's highway, the North Shore Channel. And these bass are following them through. Bunch of awesome fun. Fast moving baits, big fish. Let's go in for the release. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
my man.
Dude, that was under. I got that somehow in the tree.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Good job, man. How's it feel?
Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh, nice, dude.
Nice fish.
Oh, sweet.
Got that one for me? Yeah.
He's nice, dude.
Yeah.
Nice catch, bro.
Woo! Oh!
Yeah. He's nice.
Chunky.
Yeah. Nice fish, George.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Guys, all right.
Better now.
Oh, you got one.
Yeah. Wow, that's a nice
Yeah,
fish, bro.
Dude. They're eating them shad big time.
Woo, look at that
the belly on that
chunker,
thing, dude.
Chicago River chunker. Guys, bro, I appreciate it. Shane Singletary, he
Yes,
gave
sir.
me the word. He's
Yeah,
like,
man.
George, you got to get out here. I'm on a solid fall bite. And oh my God, we got 3 right off the bat. We're only here about an hour. We arrived at what, 5:15?
Yep.
Sun setting at 6:15. We'll keep you guys in tune with what's going on, but so far, rocking them, man. Hell yeah.
Nice.
Great fish.
Oh, yeah. Nice job, man. Did you see my thumb that day? You don't get a thumb like that unless you catch 20 or 30 bass. You get that sandpaper thumb, your thumb all chewed up. You know, real bass fishermen know about that.
Yes,
you know?
sir. That was a chunky bass. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah. This feels different. No, it's a bass. Woo! Look at that. Guys, we have schoolers. These guys are just chasing all these bait fish in here. This is awesome. Look at that. I mean, an array of different sizes. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. Dude. Good job.
You got one? Oh, yeah.
What does he got?
Damn, he hit that thing.
Woo!
Bro, in the mouth, dude, he got a gizzard shad. It's a bigger gizzard shad. Dude, look at the size of that gizzard shad. Get out of here, dude.
Dude, they're bigger than this in here.
We got dinner, boys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I want to touch
Dude, nice catch, bro.
That's a big gizzard shad, bro. And he hit the maps. Yeah, I got the spinnerbait snack because I was so focused on everything else. It's the new Trier High School.
Hey, you need pliers, brother? Huh?
Second gizzard shad today
in the mouth.
in the mouth on this map spinnerbait. That is wild. What's your Instagram, bro?
Muff_773.
Muff_773. This guy rolled up. He's just catching gizzard shad left and right.
Yes, sir.
In the mouth. In the mouth. I mean, talk about getting some bait, bro. That's awesome.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good job. All right, adept anglers, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Shane Singletary, follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram, bro?
Shane Singletary.
So follow him on Instagram at Shane Singletary. He hit me up. He's like, hey, bro, you got to get out here. I've been catching bass left and right on the Chicago River. Got a train coming by. It's part of the beauty of this spot. But he's like, you got to come by, man. And yeah, I showed up. I caught 4 bass. We were only out here about an hour. You saw Anthony pop up. He caught gizzard shad on the inline spinnerbait. That's wild. In the mouth.
Big gizzard shad.
Yeah, in the mouth. That's wild. But yeah, I appreciate the invite out here, bro.
Yeah, no, like I said, dude, I knew the bite was on, and I knew when we walked up where you could just come in and start throwing your spinnerbait, and I know you're partial to the spinnerbait. I know you like the spinnerbait, so I knew right along the tree, and I knew that you would bang a couple.
Yeah, his
And,
exact
yeah.
words were, George, bring your spinnerbait, come over here, just cast along the trees. I think you're gonna catch some fish. More than one too in the same spot. And I'm like, more than one in the same spot?
He said, no, there's no way.
It happened.
And I said,
It
you're gonna catch multiple. You'll probably catch like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
And he caught 5.
Yeah.
So I knew what was
it
up.
happened. So that was awesome. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem at all, man. Absolutely.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. We're gonna see you guys next Friday and every Friday going forward.
Stay
Happy
tuned.
fishing.